These days we often buy clothes and they come on these hangers. And these hangers have these beautiful clips at the end. So what I've started doing is I just push the end, this clip to one end, and then I cut it off here. It's very tough material, so I use tough scissors to cut them, like steel cutters. And now to make sure that they don't slide away, what you have to do is to melt these down a little bit or glue it so the clip doesn't slide off. And then you have here a perfect clip which you can use for other things. I use my solder iron here and I put just a bit of foil around so the plastic doesn't melt directly on my probe. And this should probably do the job. Now I switch it on and then I wait until the iron is hot enough. Right, so I've prepared my solder iron. I put some foil around it to prevent it from having plastic on my probe, and then I just melt it down a little bit here so the thing can't glide off. Maybe I can melt this down a bit. Et voila! I've got here now a perfect metal clip which I can use to hold things together, and this was made from an old hanger which I don't use. The rest can now go into recycling, and I've got an additional new clip. Thanks for watching.